For Program 2 in Unit 5, we'd like to list all the files in the current directory that include the word random. We'll be using the OS module, of course, and running through all of the files in the current directory in the usual way. Remember that the shortcut name for the current directory is just dot. Now, as we take each file, we'd like to know if it contains the string random. What we'll do is write our own function called contains that takes in a file name and a string, in this case random, and returns true if the string is contained in the file. If so, we simply want to print the name of the file. Let's say also that it contains random. So our work is done, except that we don't yet have this function called contains. Let's write it. It takes in a file name and a pattern. Our first job is to open up a connection to the file. We'll call it file. Then we'll go one by one through the lines in the file. For each one, we'll check to see if the string we've been given as a pattern is in the line. As soon as the answer is yes, the work of the function is done. If we find the pattern in any line, the function should immediately return true. It's true that the pattern is in the file. We continue going line by line through each of the lines in the file. If we ever find the pattern, contains returns true. If contains gets to this point, it means that it's been through every line in the file and has not yet found pattern. In this case, the function should return false. Here's a complete program. Let's run it. In my current directory, the only files that contain the string random are cards and temp, both Python program files.